It's Leanne and Jeff, Realty One Group, here with another edition of Inspirada TV.
Yes, we are at 2277 Teatro. KB build, one of our favorite floor plans, the 2467. But what I wanted to show you is at the end of this cul-de-sac, let me pan up, you would have an amazing view coming home at night and seeing the entire strip illuminated. It's a bit hazy today, so and it's garbage day. So it's not the money shot that you would hope for.
Life goes on when you're selling your house.
The other great thing on this street is it backs to vast nothingness.
So you get great views of the mountains.
You do.
Yeah. All right. We're in.
We're in. So the good thing about this floor plan is you get a bedroom and full bath down. Sometimes KB had this as a bedroom, sometimes as a den. I'm assuming this one's going to be a bedroom, but it would make an amazing office. But you do get a walk-in closet.
Yeah.
And then right here you have a full bath.
Make a great place for guests too. Mm-hmm. Especially on a two-story, because you might not want guests up in your
business,
up in your space. Maybe you have guests you don't like.
So, or if you have a parent living with you, can't do the stairs. This is a nice
that's
setup.
really nice. Yeah.
It's a nice rail. This is in nice condition.
Yeah, it really is. It was built in 2022.
It's just a few years old. So it's so open down here. You have a bedroom down, then you have 3 more bedrooms and a loft upstairs. But nice 42-inch uppers, refrigerator stays, washer and dryer stay. We've got 9-foot ceilings down.
Pull-outs.
And pull-outs.
And, we've seen this floor plan where they take cabinets all the way down, and that's always so nice.
It really is so cool.
Yeah.
You have a nice walk-in pantry.
Place to keep your snacks.
We'll step out to the backyard.
I'm excited about this. I can't.
This is why we make the big bucks.
Oh, maybe I can do it.
So pavered patio. Oh, and you do have the peekaboo strip views again, the same one up here.
We have seen people put things out in the backyard that lift them up and have a table and chairs out here.
That would be really, that would be.
So you have the mountain views and the strip views.
So, and we can get another shot when we're upstairs in the primary, because that's at the back of the property.
I always have to wait because I can't see over the wall.
So if you've been thinking about a home in Henderson and you haven't considered Inspirada, would really encourage you to dig in to what's out here. No better place than our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of videos. And our website has every listing out here. And this is where we always ask that, would you please like and subscribe to our channel? Leanne and I are out here every week. Our goal is to start delivering these episodes to you once a day. But, sometimes life gets in the way because we also have a day job where we sell homes. So like we were saying, you have this nice loft space. You have that great open floor plan down there. So
the layout of this model is just...
It really is. So you have a little walk-in closet there. So that would be bedroom 2. Bedroom 3 here. And my favorite part of this floor plan is bedroom number 4 is really a good sized bedroom with a walk-in closet. It's a good size. And again, on our website, we will tag the floor plan, the 2467, so you can click that and it'll take you to every one of our floor plans of this that we have filmed. It's always interesting to see how the home looks and the different choices. But you also get an upstairs laundry, washer and dryer stay.
And a double entry into the primary.
And this really is a
Huge.
good, comfortable
Yeah.
bedroom. Enough for a TV.
Activities.
Plenty of activities. And I'll also have you peek out the back window. A little better view. So out that way is the 15. From here you have really easy access to jump on the 15 and head north.
Or south.
And you got or south. That's why I love this location. If you're someone that travels back and forth to Southern California, it's always nice because you're almost home. As soon as you hit town, you're basically home.
Yeah. Awesome.
Leanna and I lived out in Tuscany, out towards Lake Las Vegas, and even when you hit town,
You still have
30 more
long
minutes.
way to go.
And after 4 hours in the car, you're like, I wish I lived in Inspirada.
I wish I drove by myself.
So, shop tower combo. Separate water closet, which is nice, and the dual vanities with the raised
This
sink.
tub's huge.
It really is big, huh?
Yeah.
Cannonball right in, maybe right off of here.
Yeah, that's what you should do.
Well, as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, homesinspirada.com, where our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. If you want to see this home or any other, reach out to us. Leanne and I live in Inspirada, and we would be happy to make new friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.